how to limit download speed in Epic Games. So first, what you want to do is just open up your Epic Games launcher, then go to the top right corner of your screen here on your profile, then simply click on it, then click on settings. Once you're there, you simply need to scroll down to see throttle download, so simply click on that. And now, as you can see, download throttling is set in kilobytes per second, so 0 means unlimited. So if you want to set it, let's say 100 KB or maybe 1000, which is technically 1 megabyte or 1 MB. So when we go back and try to download a game right here, let's say I'm going to download this game. Wait for it to load. And as you can see, it is set to 1 megabyte and it's not that fast. Now it's going up, right, as you can see, and it won't go up that 1 MB that we set right there. And that's how you basically limit download speed in Epic Games.